Alright, what's up guys? This is Aaron from Great Lakes RC and I'm out again with the Xmaxx. It's winter, some of the snow melted. You can see that's crazy early winter we got because there's still leaves on my trees, so that was fun. Had quite a lot of snow, some of it melted, and it's halfway warm, about 30 degrees out here. It's been sub 20s. So anyway, I got the Xmaxx out and I put the new updated Traxxax servo in there, and it's significantly better. And I updated my gearing. I got a 50 tooth spur, and I'm starting out with a 16 tooth. I can go all the way up to 22, I think, with 50 tooth spur. So we're gonna see how it goes, and I got a couple ramps out. Curious to see how much more speed there is in 4 extra gear teeth. Oh yeah. I think there's still room to go up some more. This is much better. Probably close to 50 now. I'll have to put my GPS on it, but it feels much better. Much, much better. Oh! Big girl. So some of the handling I didn't like was definitely that servo. New servo is much better. Let's see if this thing can handle my ramps. Oh yeah! Tearing up the grass. Alright, let's see if we can do. I'm going to stand behind it. I've never launched it off the big ramp yet. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. That hits hard. See, there it is. It like catches or something. Weird. Wow. That is something. Oh, really? Man, that thing just goes nose down on me a lot. Really took a chunk of grass out too. Whoa! Wow! Okay, I've jumped higher jumps, but with a truck this size, holy crap. Still does not want to do the backflip. I had some people tell me that it's going to take a 20-50 gearing to make a backflip. Oh. Wow. I don't know if it comes across on camera, but it is so high and it just hits so hard. 20-pound truck. What was that? The gearing on this truck is really weird. It like catches. And I've had it all apart, so I'm pretty confident in it. It just has a weird, like, pitch to it. There it is again. Really weird. It's like an off throttle glitch. Yeah, something's up. Gets like hung up or something. Who knows? Might have something going on in there. Drive it till it breaks, right? Oh, something happened. That was some mid-air, I don't know what that was. That was weird.